and welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I'll be walking you through how to log into the application for either student or teachers or even the school administrators app. Um, First off, we'll go into the application. So we have two types of application. One is for the student as well as the parent or the guardian, and the other one is for the teachers or the principal. In this instance, I'll walk you through how to log in as student. First off, you gotta put in the school code. Put in the GR number. That's basically the identification number of unit code, I would say, given to each school, and then password. Then you sign in. So once you're signed in, you can see a dashboard. You'll see student information, name, roll number assigned, classes. You'll see a slider here. This could be any notification or gallery pictures whatsoever. If you go down there, you can go through different subjects. Now, this section is quite important for a student because this is where everything happens. It's a snapshot of your classes, lesson plans, and any resources updated by the teacher. Let's say if you go into this subject, let's say science, you'll be able to get through different function. For example, you'll be able to access different chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. It goes on, and under each chapter you'll be able to get access to different topics. Teachers can upload files. You'll be able to access files in various formats. You can also access videos. So this will be filled once the teachers start uploading contents on their application or on their system. Now, if you go into the topic again, students will be able to get access to different files. In this case, we have pre-uploaded content here. There's a sample data to show how you can get access to PDF files, or it could be in video format. Now, this section, which is the announcement tab, is specific to the subject, which means any announcement, reminders that is related to this subject will appear here. That's done on the teacher's end. So basically, this is where students are able to access all the resources. If you go down, you'll be able to see all the recent notification issued or published by the school or the college, and then at the bottom you will be able to get access to gallery for events that happened in the past or any recent events happening within the institution. This would be uploaded by the school administrator. So that's basically a snapshot of what the first dashboard looks like. And then just to go here at the top right corner is this chat function. So when teachers message any specific student, the chat will appear here, and teachers can have one-to-one conversation with the student. Teachers can either send resources or reminders or additional resources for any subject or lesson plans. If we go back in the middle tab, you will find the assignments portal. This is where students can easily go in and navigate through different assignments that they have. They can go in here, for instance, with a demo data, with I've got an assignment that was published by the teacher. We've got a subject name, we've got a due date, we've got some instructions regarding the assignment. For instance, write a 2,000 word report on how nuclear fusion and so on. This is a PDF attached. This is the instruction for the assignments, so students can easily go through the question paper and or assignment notes and generate assignments, and they can submit that either in paper format or they can upload it online, whichever the arrangement is done. And once any assignments are submitted, you can go into this section and students will be able to see all the assignments that they have submitted. For instance, we have one demo data here, mathematic assignment, got all the details here. So you've got the reference material, you've got the points assigned, marks assigned for the subject. Going back, there's the option to go through different functions here. So this is where the attendance function is. Students will be able to access their attendance for the entire year, keep track of their attendance. So attendance is taken by the teacher on the platform itself. Teachers will have access to their own mobile application. They can easily sign into their mobile and start taking attendance for the students, which will automatically reflect on the students portal. Now if you go back, you'll also see that you have a timetable function. This is where students will be easily able to navigate through all the schedule that they have for the entire week. Next off, you have the notice board. Again, self-explanatory. It's where all the notifications will pop up. Could be from the school, from the teacher. Everything will pop up on this section. Then you have the exams. So this will have some information regarding any past, present, or upcoming examination. Could be both offline or online. So for offline, it could be any forms of exams, could be unit test, class test, final exam, semester exams, and so forth. You can go into the exam further into the tab, and you'll be able to see the exams that are upcoming or that have been conducted in the past. So this is where you'll be able to get access to all those information. If you go to the online section, this is where all the online exams will pop up. As of now, we don't have any demo data for that. Teachers can easily create online test and send it through to students, and that will show on this section. Now if you go back, you've got the result. Again, this is where all the examinations conducted or test taken by teachers will be published there. Again, segregated based on offline or online examination. The marks are published there. So this is literally an online format of a progress report that they can easily get on their phone. Can go through the subjects they've had, the marks attained, and overall marks. And grading is also visible here. That is done on the teacher's app. Students are able to easily download that and keep it as a copy if they want. And you've got reports. So these are reports for assignments. Again, information on the due assignments or online examinations. So basically this is where you go in and get access to any upcoming online exams or assignments. guiding detail. So you'll be able to see the details filled in during your admission period. This is the data entry is done on the administrator's side of, and then the details will be visible on the student's application. Holiday, yep. Who does not enjoy any upcoming holidays? So this is where students are able to navigate any upcoming holidays depending on which month it is. Students will be easily able to navigate and see any national or school specific holidays. Gallery, so this is what we saw earlier in the front dashboard. Could be images from any events or general pictures that are published by the school. Students will be easily able to go in and go through different, it's like a newsletter, online school newsletter, where students will be able to get access to different resources in infographics. Well, setting, this is where you make changes to any settings that you want to apply. Change language, change password. um, yep, so pretty much this is where you sign in and log out, and you'll be able to navigate easily. So that's it for the student app.